Hello friends, as we all knows that Independence Day, our country's Independence Day is near. So today I will make you show you how to make a flag by using leaf and stem. This is I took a leaf and this is stem. By using this you can take this and then this. That's it can be fixed. So now take white crayons I and make moon and star. Try it. It makes you creative to show your creativity. It's beautiful and it's natural. Try something new in this Independence Day, 14 August. Yes, this you can. If you like it, comment in comment box. I love it. It looks so beautiful.